students, welcome back to my channel. So in the last video we had done Raoult Law and its graphical representation. So in today's video we are going to do some numericals based on Raoult's Law. So here is one numerical. The first one is an NCERT exercise numerical. So the numerical goes 25.5 grams of CHCl3, CHCl3 is chloroform, was mixed with 40 grams of CH2Cl2. CH2Cl2 is what? Dichloromethane at 298 Kelvin. If the vapor pressure of CHCl3 and CH2Cl2 are 200 millimeter of Hg and 415 millimeter of Hg respectively, calculate the vapor pressure of the solution by mixing the two. First part, this is the first thing which you have to calculate, and the other thing which you have to calculate is your mole fraction of each component in vapor phase. We'll go in the solution, but first you pause the video and try to solve it on your own, then we'll do the solution. Let's see the solution. Firstly, we'll write the data whatever is given. So here we are assuming that CHCl3 chloroform, we'll call it as A over here in this question, and CH2Cl2 trichloromethane, we'll call it B from now on in the question. And this is given, this is the vapor pressure of CHCl3, this is the PA naught. PA naught means the pure state. This is the pure state, this is given in the question. These are the pure state vapor pressures which are given in the question. Now you have to calculate the vapor pressure of the solution. That means you have to calculate PS. And what was PS equal to? XA into PA naught plus XB into PB naught. Yes or no? Because PS was equal to, according to Dalton's law, PA plus PB, remember last lecture? And PA was equal to XA into PA naught, and PB was equal to XB into PB naught. Just substitute the values. We have got this in the last lecture, in the last video. We already have derived this, right? So you have to calculate this PS. For that purpose, we already have PA naught, we already have PB naught. So what exactly do you want? You want XA and you want XB. Then only you can calculate PS, isn't it? Now see, in order to calculate XA, that is mole fraction of A, we have to calculate the number of moles of A first. So A is what? A is what here? Chloroform. So Na, first we will calculate Na. Number of moles is equal to, A stands for CH3L3, CHCl3. So number Na is equal to Wa upon Ma for CHCl3. Given weight of CHCl3, what is the given weight of CHCl3? This is 25.5 grams divided by molecular weight of CHCl3. You should remember the molecular weight, or the weights will be given. You can calculate the molecular weight. The molecular weight of CHCl3 is 119.5. So when you divide the two, you will get 0.213. Right? You will get 0.213 when you divide the two. So now we have calculated Na, number of moles of A, that is CHCl3. Similarly, we will calculate number of moles of CH2Cl2. Given weight, that is, what is given? 40. And molecular weight of CH2Cl2 is 84. This is 84. So when you divide the two, you will get 0.477 or 476, like that, something like that you will get. So this is Na, this is Nb, number of moles of A and B we have calculated. Now using these we can easily calculate XA. So XA will be equal to Na upon Na plus Nb. Number XA stands for number of mole fraction of A. Mole fraction of A is equal to number of moles of A divided by total number of moles. Yes or no? So let us substitute the values. 0.213 divided by, just add the two, 0.213 plus 0.476. Yes or no? This is how you will calculate. This will come out to be 0.31. So XA is our 0.31. Mole fraction of A is 0.31. And how can we calculate mole fraction of B? Mole fraction of B, we know that the sum of all the mole fractions is equal to 1. Yes or no? So if I have only two components, so therefore I can calculate the mole fraction of B. Just subtract XA from 1. So 1 minus 0.31, that comes out to be 0.69. Yes or no? I have to calculate P total, that is pressure of the solution. PS is equal to, just now I have told you, PA plus PB. PA is XA into PA naught and PB is XB into PB naught. So I already have this formula. PS is equal to XA into PA naught plus XB into PB naught. Just substitute the values. What is XA? Just now you have calculated. Just now you have calculated. What is the value of XA you have got? 0.31 into what is PA naught? 200. Yes or no? Similarly, XP we have got 0.69 into 415. Yes or no? Isn't it? So when you calculate this, we have just substituted the values. It is very simple. Just calculate this and you will get the answer as, when you multiply these two, you will get 0.31 into 200 is 62, and this is equal to your 286. You will get 286. You can calculate. So total is 348.35. Answer is 348. When you add the two, 0.31 into 200 is 62. 0.69 into 415 is 286.35 approx. So this is the answer, millimeter of Hg. This is the P total. The question was, we have to calculate the mole fraction in vapor phase, mole fraction of each component in vapor phase. So we'll assume that let X dash be the mole fraction in vapor phase. So how do you calculate the mole fraction in vapor phase? XA dash, that is mole fraction of A in the vapor phase, will be equal to PA upon PS, P total. Similarly, XP dash will be equal to PB upon P total. You divide the respective PA and PB with that P total. So what is PA over here? PA क्या आया था? 62. And just now, this is PA, no? X into PA naught is PA. 62 divided by 348.35. Are you following this? This is PA. This is PA. This is PB. And this is PS. Yes or no? So simply divide. Similarly, PB. What is PB? 286.35 divided by 348.35. Yes or no? What answer we'll get? You divide this 62 upon 348.35, you will get 0.18. And when you divide the two, you will get approximately 0.82. Alternatively, you can calculate XB dash by that formula, 1 minus XA dash. So 1 minus 0.18 is also equal to, you will get the same answer. You can go this way also, you can go this way also, any which ways you can go. You can calculate one mole fraction and for the other one subtract it from 1. Or directly also you can calculate one and the same thing. Let's see another numerical. See, Raoult law numericals are very easy. If you know the formula and you know the process, then you can easily do it. You just have to substitute the values and you can get the answer very easily. And these are 2 or 3 mark questions. So understand how easy such questions are. You can attempt them so easily. So now look at this question. The vapor pressure of ethyl acetate CH3COO C2H5, this is the formula, and molecular weight of ethyl acetate is given, and ethyl propionate C2H5COO C2H5, these are esters. R, C double bond O, R, these are esters. The molecular weight is again given, and R, this is not and, this should be R, right? This is R. 72.8 millimeter of Hg and 27.7 millimeter of Hg respectively. A solution is prepared by mixing 25 grams of ethyl acetate and 50 grams of ethyl propionate. Calculate the vapor pressure of this. This is very easy, very easy question. So see, it is better if you assign A and B to the components, so it becomes easy for you to write the solution part. So let us assume that A is ethyl acetate and B is ethyl propionate. So first step is we have to calculate, because we know the formula of PS, XA into PA naught plus XB into PB naught. Yes or no? So we have to calculate XA and XB because PA naught and PB naught are given. So in order to calculate XA and XB, we have to calculate number of moles of A and B. So number of moles of A, that is CH3CO C2H5, is WA. Given weight, what is the given weight? 25 grams upon molecular weight is also given. What is the molecular weight? It is 88 grams, 25 upon 88. And similarly for NB, given weight 50 grams divided by 102. This is all given. So when you divide the two, you will get, this is 0.284 and this will come out to be 0.49. Right? So you can easily calculate, divide the two and calculate. Now we'll calculate mole fraction of A, and A 0.284 divided by 0.284 plus 0.49. Yes or no? This will come out to be 0.37. And in order to calculate XB, you can subtract it from 1, 0.1 minus 0.37. That comes out to be 0.63. Yes or no? Now simply substitute the values. XA, what is XA? XA we have just calculated. Here I am writing 0.37 into PA naught. What is PA naught? 72.8. Just carefully put the values. Don't shuffle the values. A stands for CH3COO C2H5. This is for CH3COO C2H5, right? Plus 0.63 XP into PB naught. What is PB naught? 27.7. Yes or no? I substituted the values. So when you will solve the two, you will get answer as 44.3 millimeter of Hg. Just add the two, multiply and add the two, you will get the answer as 44.3 millimeter of Hg. How easy the questions are of Raoult Law. So this is one question I'm giving you for homework. Please do this question. This is also very simple. Let me read the question. The vapor pressure of pure liquid A and pure liquid B at 20 degrees Celsius are 22 millimeter and 75 millimeter of Hg respectively. A solution is prepared by mixing equal moles. This is the main point in the question. Equal moles of A and B. You have to keep this in mind. What does equal mole mean? So that is a trick, right? Calculate the vapor pressure of the solution. Just keep this equal moles in mind. So with this we are done with Raoult Law. In the next video we'll start with the colligative properties. So please stay tuned and like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.